Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to review your filtered comments on TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's go to our TikTok app first. Let's open it. To do that, let's go to our profile by tapping on the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. And you can see the three line icon which is in the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there. And after that, you can see the settings and privacy option over here. Just tap there. And after that, you can see the privacy option over here, which is the second one under the account category. Tap there. And after that, you can see the comments section over here, which is the second option under the safety category. Just tap there. And after that, you can see the option review filtered comments under the category comment management, which is also the last one. Just tap there. And since I have not filtered any type of comments in my TikTok account, so there are no comments right now, but this is the place where you will find your filtered comments. And there guys, reviewing or seeing your filtered comments in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you guys, peace.